Hello guys, welcome to another video, and this video is just simply a continuation of the getting our first payout from Profem series. So this is episode 3, and good news, I just passed phase 1 of my 10k account, and I'm going to be showing you everything about that account. So if this kind of stuff you love, please like, subscribe, and stick around because we are doing great things on this channel. And let me just quickly show you what's going on my chart. So this is the trades I took on this account. I took a maximum of a total of 5 trades and 2 buys, 3 sell. I took 1 loss and 4 wins. So let me just quickly show you um the the last trade, the trade that helped me pass this account, because I've pretty much shown you guys the first 4 trades in my previous video. And let me just quickly show you guys the last one that helped me pass this account. So this is GBP NZD chart, and I'm going to be using this platform to show you guys everything because it's just similar to trading view. I don't want to be going back and forth checking trading view and all that, but at the end of the video I'm going to show you guys my parameters and how I marked out my chart on trading view. But firstly, let me just show you the trade to show you that, yeah, everything really happened and all that. So this is the setup here. What I did, I bought from this zone here. um Looked something like this. Okay, so it looked something like this. I bought from here, I took a buy from this zone here. It was more of a sniper entry, stop loss here, and I targeted 1 to 1.4, yeah, 1 to 2.4 R. This was how I was able to make 200. And okay, I closed early because I reached my profit target of $800. You can see profit target $800. That's 8% of the account. So that's why I closed early. But the full take profit was 2.4, and this was the trade that helped me catch that beautiful setup. You can see here, this was where I bought. The arrow is indicating that I bought here, and this was where I closed the buy. You can see this was a profitable one, and that was how I was able to reach the target for phase 1. And I'll quickly show you the phase 2 account. Let me switch to the phase 2. And on the phase 2 account, I've taken total of 3 trades. I've taken 3 trades on the phase 2 account, and um the first trade was a loss, GBP We are currently just about 1% in drawdown because I took one win and one break even. So this was the loss on GBP JPY. You can see here, I tried selling from here, but it did not work, and I closed here. Let me just draw the parameters of the trade so you see how it looked something like this. Looked something like this, yeah. And I was targeting the lows here for 2.5 R, and didn't work out, and this was the loss I took. And this was how I took my first loss, and price haven't really done anything after that. You can see just basically moving up and down, basically consolidating. And this was how I got minus $111. I don't know why their swap fee is $5. It's just crazy for holding for just one night, and they're charging me $5. That's crazy. Second trade was a break even. Let me quickly show you Euro AUD break even trade. Yeah, the trade initially looked good, but I said break even after we hit 1.5 R, and this was how we hit break even on this. This was a sniper entry. I'll show you in a jiffy on the trading view platform. This was how the trade looked like. Around here we hit 1.5, 1.4, I don't know, 1.5 when I measured it. And this was how we took break even on this one. So you see we bought here and we closed out here on this area, and this was how we got how much self um $25 profit, and and now our balance is about minus $80. So we are down 1% on the account, and it's not really that bad because I've actually been taking clean trades on my personal account. And I'll also show you when I go into trading view, I'll show you um the chart from some of my trade I took on my personal account. And I also have a Telegram channel, so I document everything there. If you want to be part of it, join the Telegram channel. I drop my trades before time, and also update if you should take profit or you should set break even, or I also give the trade entry and exit and the stop loss. So guys, it's something you like, or maybe you don't know how to trade and you just want to make some money, you can join my free Telegram group. I'm very profitable. I think I have 50 to 60% win rate with a 1 to 3 RR trade risk to reward. So if that's something you like, um, join. I'm still improving on my journey, but it's somewhere you can join. You can start from here, get a hack, understand this trading stuff. Then from there you can get more knowledge from different sources. I don't know anywhere, and improve your trading skill. So guys, that's just it. Let me just quickly show you on trading view. So guys, I I just want to show you guys. I just want to show you guys my trade. This was the trade I took that I lost on the new account, GBP JPY. I took this on my personal account, made good amount of money, and this was unfortunate. I didn't take this, but I took this and I lost it on my phase 2 account. But that was actually not bad, and this was the break-even trade that I took on on my my phase 2 account. This was the second trade I hit break even, and yeah, reacted from this fair value gap beautifully, but didn't quite give me the proper reaction I wanted to the upside. So that's it. And let me quickly show you the account on Equity Edge. This is the account I passed. Look at the equity, so nice. We initially entered drawdown, not closing drawdown, equity drawdown, but like we didn't close the trade, and boom, we shot up. And this is how equity should actually look like. We have some dips and we have consistent push to the upside. We have some dips and push to the upside. So this is just how everything went. And this was how I passed the account. I didn't get any certificates, but this is what it is. Let's go to active account. This is the current active account with Equity Edge, um, down 1%, one win, one break even. And this is the equity of the account. This is the equity of the account, and we went down, went a bit. You can see we went up in equity before we closed that trade. So we are down 1%, and this is just how everything looks like, minus $86. And if you have a great week, we'll be able to pass this account. But let's just see how it goes. I'm risking 1%, and I'm not trying to do any stuff aggressively. And I have a Telegram community where I send in all these things that I trade. If you want, you can join. Link is in description. It's free. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And please like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. And yeah, leave a comment on what you like to see or any question you have for me. Feel free to ask me any question. I'll be there in the comments replying to all your comments. And have a nice week and profitable week. Peace out, guys.